In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and use the Wise app on your PC or laptop. Now, let's jump right in. To start off, open your web browser and go to the Wise login page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign up, which you should click. Enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the next button. This will move you forward in the registration process. Now click on Continue. You'll then be asked to choose an account type. Select Personal Account. Following that, you'll need to select your country or region. Go ahead and click on your specific country. Once selected, click on Continue to proceed. The next step involves entering your phone number, so type that in, ensuring it's correct. Hit Send Verification Code to get a code sent to your phone. Once you receive it, simply enter the verification code into the provided space. After doing so, click on Done to complete this part of the process. Now it's time to create a password. This should be a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. After typing in your password, click on Continue to move on. Following this, you'll provide some personal information, starting with your full legal first and middle names. Make sure to spell these correctly, as accuracy is important. Type in your full legal last name as well. Next, you'll choose your birth month from a drop-down menu and select your birth date. Type in your birth year to complete the date of birth section. Once done, click on Save and Continue. You'll then be prompted to select your province, city, and district from respective drop-down menus. After that, type in your home address and then your postcode. Exact details are crucial here, so double check for any typos. With that done, click on Confirm and Continue. You'll be nearly there. Next, you'll be given the option to take a look around first. Click on that to explore the app and the services it offers. With all these steps completed, you're ready to use Wise on your PC or laptop with confidence. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, the Wise support team is there to assist. Enjoy exploring what Wise has to offer, and have a fantastic day.